So, a little bit more in depth about the snowmobile. It's an Arctic Cat, Mountain Cat 1M 900. It's a long track. It's a 155 or 151, and you can see the 2-inch paddles that it has on the track. There's a cargo capacity, which doesn't make that good a seat. It's got a little pocket in the back here. It's got a fair-sized gas tank, goes quite a ways. Does not have electric start yet. I'm working on that. It's a 900cc twin. Big old clutch drive on it. Has Mikuni carbs. Small toolbox, big airbox. Big old 2-stroke exhaust expansion pipe. This is the muffler, not that it muffles much. It's liquid cooled. It's oil injected. I gotta top that up. Again, semi-translucent tank. Oh, it's got a 151 centimeter track. Contact patch. Yeah. It's supposed to be capable of 100 plus miles an hour. Not that I'm trying to find that out. Hood gets strapped down. Uh, 150 horsepower is what it rolled out of the factory with. Choke, heated grips, bars, tachometer, and speedometer with my odometer. That there is my loading ramp, trifold. Goes right onto the back, and I can drive it up and in.